Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Kristie. I usually make planner videos. I had also committed to saying that occasionally if I had something I wanted to do, that I would film a lifestyle or beauty video. And one of the things that I had talked about doing in one of my other videos is doing my Boxy Charm unboxing for this month, because I said it last month. For those that are here returning from my plan with me this past week, I did go to the doctor. I did get my lab test back today. I do not have Lyme disease, so yay. However, I do have some additional testing that needs to be done. That's still a little bit scary, but that's okay. We don't have the big worry, so yeah, we're just gonna leave it at that for right now and try to just be happy and move on. Speaking of that though, there's probably some things that I'm going to be doing. I did buy this book. Let me see if I can widen out a little bit. I guess it's as wide as it's gonna go. Okay. It's a bullet journal from, it's the Pen and Gear line, I believe it is, from Walmart. I think it is. I can't remember if it is or not. But I'm going to be doing a wellness journal. Probably just to start kind of tracking things and be a little more mindful. It is dot grid paper, so I'm going to be teaching myself how to be creative and trying to track my wellness and things like that, because clearly there is a need for it in my life, so stay tuned for that. But the star of the show today is my Boxy Charm. For those that don't know what Boxy Charm is, it is a subscription box. It is 5 full-size items each month. It is $21 a month, and you can earn points to use in the charm store. I haven't bought anything from there yet. I do have points that I need to use in there, but I haven't bought anything yet. So without further ado, let's get into my Boxy Charm for the month. I could not wait to film this because this is my favorite day of the month when this comes in, because it's something new to play with, and anybody that knows me loves skincare. This is like my jam. So aside from planning, this is it for me. So the theme this month is totally Boxy Charm. This is really cute. So I'm going to put this card over to the side so I have prices for everything. Okay, let's see what we have here. See if we can get this foam to stay down. I don't think it's going to. Let's see what I have over here. We'll just use this wellness journal for now to kind of hold that down in the back. That's fine. Okay, this looks fun. All right, let's take a little look. Actually, that looks terrible. Let's just pull this thing out. It's in there for shipping, but we don't need it anymore. Okay. So the first thing that we have, I'm going to pull this out first. I did watch Kathleen Light's video, full disclosure here, and I kind of watched her do hers. So one of the things in here is this Wander Beauty. It is an illuminating face oil. I'm kind of curious about this. I have typically pretty oily skin, so don't know how this is going to work. Could be great, could be not great. I am currently having a breakout. Like my face is a mess right now. I have cystic acne everywhere, which is probably due to stress, but you know, let's see what this looks like here. Oh, it's pink. Oh, okay. Wasn't expecting that. I probably should have remembered it from Kathleen's video, but I don't. So let's see what this feels like. That's actually really nice. It smells like something. Is it peony? I think it kind of has like a peony like scent. Oh, that's nice. Don't know. It is very illuminating. If you look at my two hands together, this one's definitely a little more vibrant. Definitely looks a little more moisturized now. The second thing in the box, I was so excited when I saw this month, is a full-size, well actually let's go back to this real quick. So the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil is a full-size product. And it is, the suggested retail price on this is $42. Next is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. This is also obviously a full-size product. The manufacturer's price on this is $39. So already the box has more than paid for itself. Let's see what color does this have a color? Or is it just translucent? And I've heard a lot about this powder. I just haven't tried it. Let's see. Because everybody always talks about how it's cold, which I'm kind of mildly weirded out by, but we're gonna see how I feel about it after. Why do they make these things like this? Like, why? Technical difficulties, guys. Technical difficulties. There it goes. And why did I sniff it? Like, I sniff it as though it's going to. Yep. That's me in a nutshell. Oh, the little bouncy. Oh, that's weird. It does feel wet. Oh, that's so bizarre. Okay. That is so weird. Oh, but it's so pretty on the skin. Like, that is just beautiful. I don't know how it's going to work for me, being someone who doesn't really have a lot of problems not being hydrated. Like, my skin's typically overhydrated. But if you can see, like, that's like really, really, it's nice. I like this. Excited to give that a try. So, let's see what else we have in here. Trying to like kind of put everything to the side after I open it. Okay, next up is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. This is another one that I'm kind of really excited to try. I don't mind Tarte mascaras. I actually kind of like them. The Lights Camera Lashes is one of my favorites. And I'm probably just going to put this. Oh, I like the packaging. It's matte. It's very heavy. It's very like nice packaging. Let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah, this is my kind of brush. This is the exact kind of brush that I like typically. Oh, I'm excited about that. And it doesn't have that like, it's not a like overpowering mascara smell. And I think like just like everything else of Tarte's, it is cruelty free and vegan, which I do actually prefer in my cosmetics. Let's see. So next up, and that is a full-size product, obviously, and retail price on that is $23. Next up, we have a shadow duo from Ace Beauty. These look a whole lot like ColourPop. Like a whole lot like ColourPop. That's interesting. So it says high pigmented soft shadows with creamy texture, specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. So this one is in Iced Latte. Let's take a look and see what this is like. It has the same exact ColourPop feel. Oh wow, this is pretty. That's really, really pretty. That's one swipe, and I still have like enough to do. Yeah, that's a decently pigmented shadow. That's really, really nice. I like that a lot. A whole lot. And then the other one is called Cotton Candy. Boy, it's like they know me. This one is, oh, that's pretty too. Okay, let's see. Oh, we like that one. We like that one a whole lot. So that is the duo. Really kind of curious. They are so shiny. Oh goodness, those are pretty. Like really, really pretty. I'm trying to even block some of the light from my light so you can see it better. Those are really pretty, really, really pretty. And then the final thing in the box, I'm not going to open this just because I'm not much of a lip liner person. I actually don't wear a lot of lip products. And a lot of that is because I tend to have very dry lips. So like everybody else loves matte lip crayons, matte this, matte that. I can't wear it. I have to use usually like the Vaseline lip balm just to keep my lips hydrated. But this is a Steve Laurent lip pencil in the color Chic. And the retail price on this is $15. And I don't know if I said it, but the retail price on the shadows is, for this duo, is $25. So yeah, this is, Kathleen Lights, when she did this one, she said that it was she said she found it dry. So yeah, I don't know that I'll use this, but I will pass it on to someone who will probably love it equally. So this month, it is what? So that's 40, 82, 190, 104, 129, about $150 value this month. So all of these products together total up to, if you bought them yourself, it would be about $150. And it was just the monthly subscription fee of $25, or $21, excuse me. If you like subscriptions and you like having stuff sent to your home that's like curated like this, highly suggest Boxy Charm. I've done Ipsy. I had a lot of friends who did Birchbox, and to me this one is much better because at least I'm getting full-size products to try, so that I can just, you know, I would prefer to have a full-size product if anything. So if you want to join Boxy Charm, I will make sure to leave my link below. If you use my link to sign up, I do earn points. I believe I earn charm points as well, and I think that you will as well. I'm not sure though. I'll clarify that though in the bottom. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram as well to keep up with what I'm doing daily and on my planner spreads, like the midweek spreads. And yeah, I will see you guys this weekend in my next plan with me. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.